Okay. Yeah. Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. So today I will take your English text and I will start a new chapter, that is clouds. You can see on the board it's written. Today we will just read the chapter and also practice some spellings from here. Okay. So today we will just read the this small poem. You can see clouds is a very small poem. All of you open page number 98. Page number 98, all of you open. Okay. You can see this is a very small poem. Read the poem together and then we will practice some spellings from here. Okay. And also I will tell you the PT2 syllabus and also ask you some questions from those chapter also. Okay. So be prepared. Let's read this. Let's read this and also do some spellings first. Then we will do that. Okay. It is hot, the sky is blue. So, it is saying that it is hot, the sky is blue, a little cloud comes looking for you. So, it is hot, we can see that it is the day is hot, by the line we understand that, and the sky is blue. We all know the color of the sky is blue. A little cloud comes looking for you. Yes, dear Shanaya, Rishi, I will tell you that. Okay, first let me complete this, then I will tell you in this class. Okay. A little cloud comes looking for you. Okay. So, we all know that after some time, a little cloud comes looking for you. More clouds come, they bring rain. So, as the time passes, more clouds are coming, more clouds are gathering together and they bring rain. We all know when the sky is covered with clouds, they bring rain, isn't it? More clouds come, they bring rain, sing and dance, it's cool again. Okay. So, when there are lots of clouds gathered in the sky, they bring rain and we can see it is raining and some children are singing and dancing in the rain and it's cool again. So, after the rain the weather gets cool again. Let's read this once again. It is hot, the sky is blue, a little cloud comes looking for you. More clouds come, they bring rain, sing and dance, it's cool again. Okay. This is a very small poem and a nice poem. All of you try to remember this. Okay. All of you try to remember this poem because this is a very small poem. Now, let us practice some spellings from here. All of you take out your copies. All of you take out your copies and write the spellings, okay, properly. First one, sky, S-K-Y, sky. You can find that some spellings has repeated, you can see some spellings are repeated and also find those spellings in your previous chapters. I have given this to you once again so that you can practice well at your home, okay. First one, sky. Yes, Suraya. Yes, this is a very small poem, isn't it? So, first spelling is sky, second is blue. Blue we all know, it is a name of a color, B-L-U-E, blue. Third is little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Fourth, cloud. Cloud, this is the name of your chapter also, cloud. Number 5, bring, B-R-I-N-G, bring. Number 6, sing. I have told you, Shivanita, you can see on the board, page number 98. Number 6, rain. 7. Sing. 8. Dance. 9. Cool. And number 10, hot. These 10 spellings you will practice. You can see some of the spellings you have found in the previous chapters also. I have given this to you again so that you will practice it well at your home. Okay. So, first spelling is sky, S-K-Y, sky. Second one, blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Third, little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. 4, cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Fifth, bring, B-R-I-N-G, bring. Sixth, rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Number 7, sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Number 8, dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Number 9, cool, C-O-O-L, cool. And number 10, hot, H-O-T, hot. These spellings. Shivanita, my is coming. What is coming, dear? Okay, write it down, these spellings, 10 spellings very well, you will practice. Okay, and now I will tell you the syllabus. 3 chapters will be there, that is, if I were an apple, a kite and Sundari. So, the first chapter is, Shivanita, your birthday is coming, okay, the date let me know, okay. First, so the first chapter, all of you listen it very carefully, that the first chapter is if I were an apple, second chapter a kite and third chapter Sundari. These 3 chapters will be in your PT2, okay. So, all of you practice this chapter well, and I know that these chapters I have already done. So, and I know also you have also done the chapter very well. So, I will in this class ask you some questions from these 3 chapters, okay, and I know all of you can answer me, isn't it? Okay, all of you write these spellings very well, okay. All of you let me know. Completed all of you? Okay, very good. So, I have told you the chapters. Now, let me ask you some questions from those chapters. Okay, I can see you have completed, very good. And let me ask some questions from those chapters. That is, if I were an apple, I am asking a question from if I were an apple. Okay. And your grammar, PT2 grammar will be chapter number 10, 11, 12. That is doing words, chapter number 10 doing words, chapter number 11 is, are, am, and chapter number 12 is, are, am, ing. Okay. So, these 3, chapter number 10, 11, 12 will be your in PT2, okay, grammar. And in text I have already told you, if I were an apple, a kite and Sundari, and in grammar there will be chapter number 10, 11 and 12, that is doing words, is, are, am, and is, are, am, ing. Okay. Now, let me tell you some questions from here. I am asking if I were an apple from the chapter if I were an apple. First question, where is the apple? All of you try to answer. I will not tell the answer. Okay. Use the chat box and let me know where is the apple. Let me know. All of you, please try. Yes. Parvez, Rishi, good. On a tree. Yes, Shivanita, Priyanshi, very good. Ujan, so correct, very good. So, Shuraya, what is koto, ma'am? I am not understanding dear. Let me clarify it a bit. Yes, so the tree, so the apple is on a tree. Question, next question. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Suraya, it is, I am asking from if I were an apple, dear. So, where is the boy? Let me know. Yes, very good. Riyad, you have completed, good. Yes, yes, Priyanshi, Suraya. So, the boy is under a tree. Good. Yes, Rishi, we can write this like also. So, the boy is under a tree. Next one. If I were a bird, I would dash. I will not tell you the options. You will tell me the correct answer. If I were a bird, I would. If I were a bird, I would. What? Fly. Correct. Very good. Parvez, Shritama, Priyanshi, Sharanya, Ujan, Shubhecha, Rishi, Shaptorshi. Very good. Riyad, so it will be fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. Then next one. If I were a bee, I would what? If I were a bee, I would dash. Yes, Parvez, Rishi, very good. Shritama, correct. I would buzz. Correct one. Very good. Next chapter, I am going a kite. Now I will ask from a kite. Okay. Yes, buzz. English grammar, I have told you dear, that is doing words, chapter number 10, 11 and 12. Doing words, is are am and is are am ing. Okay, these three chapters. Okay. Now from a kite, can you tell me the spelling of breeze? Can you tell me the spelling of breeze? Spelling of breeze. All of you try to answer. Yes, Priyanshi, good. And the other ones? Riyad, correct. Very good. Sharanya, good. Ujan, correct. Shovik, Parvez, Shubhecha, okay. Breeze. Shaptorshi, you are a bit wrong dear. Okay, so breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E. Next, and the spelling you will tell, that is blow. Can you tell me the spelling of blow? Blow. Tell me the spelling of blow, blow. Yes, Parvez, Priyanshi, correct. Suraya, Riyad, Ujan. Riyad, it will a bit wrong dear. Just recheck it. Rishi, Shubhecha, Shobik, yes, B-L-O-W, blow. So, next one. What does the child wish to be? What does the child wish to be? Shivanita, no, it is not the spelling of blow. Recheck it. Yes, the child wishes to be Parvez, Shritama, Shanaya, Ujan, Riyad, Sharanya. Yes, a kite. Very good. So, the child wishes to be a kite. Correct one. Yes, Shivanita. Now it is okay. Shovik, Suraya, a kite. Very good. Okay. This chapter. Now I am going to next chapter, that is Sundari. I am asking spellings from Sundari. That is tune. Tell me the spelling of tune. Can you tell me? Yes, Sharanya. Riyad, correct. Correct. Priyanshi, I have not said tug. It is tune. Tune. I have just said tune, not tug. Yes, Riyad, this is correct. Priyanshi, it is correct. T-U-N-E, tune. Next spellings, can you tell me? Grass. Grass, can you tell me the spelling? Yes, Shapturshi, Shivanita, now it is correct. Rishi, good. Now spelling grass. Yes, Sharanya, Suraya, Riyal, Shapturshi, correct. Very good. Grass. Grass, grass. Then can you tell me band? Band, can you tell me the spelling of band? Yeah, Sharanya, Suraya, Shanaya, Priyanshi, good, good, very good. Pujan, yes, grass, okay. Parvez, band. Sritama, Shubhecha, correct. Okay, very good. I'm very glad to see that all of you are practicing well. Okay, good, very good. And the other ones who are not giving answers, I can see that these some of the students are giving answers, and the other ones, what happened to them? Okay, next question. Yes, Sujan, band, very good. Shivanita, correct. Who made Sundari? Who made Sundari? Yes, Rishi, Parvez, band, okay, correct dear. Sharanya, Priyanshi, yes, Bobby. Bobby made Sundari. Correct. Okay, Suraya, right. Very good. Next question. Why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? Why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? Can you tell me? Because yes, it was very beautiful. Bobby called his kite Sundari because it was very beautiful. Beautiful, yes, it was very beautiful. Correct, very good. Yeah. Good, all of you. Correct, very good. Yes, it was very beautiful. Okay. Now the next question. Did Sundari fly very high at first? Did Sundari fly very high at first? Can you tell me? Yeah. Riya, Dujan, Parvez, no, Sundari did not fly very high at first. Yeah, no. Correct answer. Very good. Yes. So as I can see, most of you are giving correct answers, okay. And who are not answering, please try to go through these chapters very well, okay. So because these chapters will be, yeah, right. These chapters will be in your exam, okay. So now I will take you present. All of you, please write prior present in the chat box. All of you write prior present in the chat box. No one will leave until I finish it, okay, or you will be absent. Yeah, okay. Okay, all of you, I have taken you present, and all of you practice those chapters very well. Okay. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.